Sunday, February 20th, out on my friend's private lake. Got, I don't know, about 20 tip-ups set up. Ice is about 12 inches plus thick. Caught 4 pickerel already. And I'll try and get some on camera. Okay, flag's up. Hopefully we got a big fish on here. Let's see what we got. Nobody home. Oh. Just a minnow. That's not good. Okay, got a possible fish on here. Oh yeah, the spool's going out. Spool's going. Let's see if we can get some fish here. Can I get this thing to stand up? Let go. There he is. Alright, so let this fish go. This fish is running. Big fish! What's that? I think I got a big one. There he is. I don't know. Got a rat? Yeah, it took out a lot of line. Huge perch. Huge. Swallowed the bait. There's one big perch. Chris with a nice bass. Oh, we'll see. I'll put him back in the hole. Yeah, it's a couple pounds. Yeah, that's a nice one. Fish on. See that little thing twirling? He's pulling. What do we got? I don't know. Watch the line getting tangled. Oh my goodness. That's 3-4 pounds.
It's kind of like swimming to me.
Just want to let the people at home know that I set these up and Chris is reeling them all in. Nice, nice. Let her go.
See him smoking it?
Yeah, that's cool. Pickerel through the ice. This one's going back. Come on, get in the hole. Yeah, a little bit more. He's running.
The perch is running.
Yeah, there's a fish on here. That crack just went right under my foot. That was a little scary. This place.
Still got a bait on that?
Yeah, there's one there. Can't believe this is New Jersey. Look at this.